Hi everyone, welcome back to my latest video. Today's job is something a little different. We are clearing this little garden area of all the weeds, and we're going to be installing these small lavender plants. So obviously the good thing with lavender is they're very good for the bees and other pollinators, which is what the customer wants. They look great and they do not need much looking after, so the occasional rain here and there is perfect for them. So they're very hard wearing, and that's what we're going to do. So we're going to start by just clearing the area. So welcome back everyone to my latest video, and today I'm going to start by taking these all out by hand, making sure that I get as many of the roots out as possible, so obviously they don't grow back. Now I know there'll be some of you watching who are really into your wildlife, so if you want to let me know just how big of an impact you think this transformation will have, I'd really appreciate your feedback in the comments. So you can see here with the majority of these weeds I'm pulling out, I'm getting the whole root out as well. And you can usually tell this by the sound. It makes more of a deeper sound than a snap. The snap is what you don't want, because obviously we don't want to leave these roots behind because it will soon look like this again. Okay, so now all the plants are out, we're going to give it a rake over and then use the hoe to get out any more roots we can find, and then start with the lavender planting. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new. So I'm going to plant these roughly 40 to 50 centimetres apart just to give them a chance to expand over time and hopefully cover the majority of the garden, which will be very welcoming to the bees. In 2024, the UK registered the lowest recorded number of bees on record, and it has dropped by 23%. So every little helps, and make sure you let me know what you'd do differently as always, and if you think it was worth it. As always, thanks for watching. Here is the end result and a quick before and after. Hopefully see you next time.